Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Duke City Builds. Today we're going to be taking a more properly look at the damage of the Cummins. We're going to take out that drive shaft and the driving line, so stay tuned. Alright guys, a little update for you guys on the inside. Headliner's out. Gotta scrub the top. Alright guys, this is going to be it for this video. Showed you guys what was going on, got that transfer case out, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned with the build. Next video I'll be sharing some more information with you guys about what will be going on, so stay tuned.